Hey guys, what up? It's Beyond the Hype and we're currently here at Unbox Greenhills. What we're about to do here is the under 5K challenge. So, gagawin namin is we're gonna find sneakers. We're gonna pair up, first of all. We're gonna pair up and then we're gonna find sneakers that are the best under 5K. And then by the end of the video, we're gonna ask Boss Carlo Ople, who's currently here. He's gonna vote on which sneaker is the best. And then by the end of it, we're gonna do a giveaway. Yes, you heard that right. We're gonna do a giveaway of that sneaker. So also shout out to Boss Carlo Ople, shout out to Sir Rai Guitar, that's currently sitting there beside, and Boss Mervin and all the big bosses out here. Thank you very much for letting us shoot here in Unbox Greenhills. We're very much grateful. And yeah, are you guys ready?
Yes!
Alright, let's go.
Let's go!
Okay, so ngayon magpupumpyang umaiba tayo kami geographically, iba-iba kasi sa Davao, iba yata yung tao. Anyway, maggagano kami para malaman lang kung sino yung magka-partner. So, parang, ano siya,
Maitim sa mga puti.
What?
maitim sa mga puti. Sorry. Hindi, pero basta magpa-partner kami para, yun, tapos magbabattle yung dalawa kung sino yung mas maganda yung deal na makuha. So, tara.
Pre, sorry na.
Okay.
Okay. May ba...
Puti agad si Danny Lugi.
May ba... Taya.
Okay.
Okay, so we're Team David and Goliath. I think obvious naman ba? Kasi tayo ka na nung ano, para obvious na. So I think magandang partner si Carlo kasi talagang yung mga pairs na nabibili mo, sobrang steal. Tapos, you know, I'm the Boodle King of Beyond the Hype.
I think it cancels out. Kasi may mga times talaga na, Seth, mukhang wag mo muna kunin yan. Or, same rin kami ng taste ni Seth. Talagang ma-appreciate namin yung isa-isa doon. So, let's see.
Eh guys, kami naman ng team mayaman at team mahirap. So, tatalunin namin yung team David and Goliath kasi may mayaman ako kasama eh. So, it's me and Danny for today's team. And feeling ko mananalo naman kami kasi unlimited yung funds namin. Kahit under 5K to. So, pero si Danny kasi ano yan eh, hashtag Boodle Queen namin yan eh. Tama
Oh,
ba?
yes. Ako ang hashtag Boodle Queen. Kung si Seth Boodle King, ako yung Boodle Queen.
Yan, it's a competition right here. So, feeling ko mananalo talaga kami just
Ano
because
yun?
of that. Feeling ko mananalo kami just because of that and we are ready. You ready?
Yes, let's go!
Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip.
What's the game plan?
Game plan, I think we should look for something that really pops out, something different. Kasi alam mo, very neutral tones lately. But I think we should look for like a really nice alternative. I'm looking at 550s, dunks, and even some...
For 5K, no?
For 5K.
Pero ako I think ang maganda, may mga tropa tayo dun sa mga owners ng ng mga booth. Tanungin natin sa kanila ano yung best deal na mabibigay nila sa atin. Diba?
Something that really caught my eye, Sean Waterspoon. I mean, you had this one in your collection for the longest time. A lot of people actually 3.5 for only 3.5.
Cheating ba if dalawa yung mabibili natin?
Pair kasi eh. So,
I wouldn't mind if i-giveaway natin both pairs. Come on, for 5K, di ba?
for 5K.
I don't mind. I think they wouldn't mind. Yeah, na
Fit it na on
two,
5K.
tas 2 pairs.
So, kung 3
Sorry, nandadaya na yata kami, pero for the viewers, dalawa yung mabibigyan natin pair. That's a win.
That's a win. That's a value pair. That's a value.
Okay.
So, kung ito yung pipiliin natin, dapat may mahanap tayo.
1.5.
1.5.
Pero let's check out other booths. We buy multiple pairs.
We're gonna be buying multiple pairs of the keychains instead. Kung heat pair ba hanap nyo, ayan. Got Chunky Donkeys, Off-White UNC. Isan ka pa? W for sure. But I actually saw this one. Another Sean Waterspoon collaboration. This is the ZX series. It really looks like a what the sneaker molded into one. Super underrated. You could definitely go a half size down if you want to fit these. Vegan friendly too. And it's only going for 5,000 pesos.
So, let's look at this first table, Ken. Ano hinahanap natin?
Ako gusto ko na something na comfort na may konting style to it. So I don't know if it's a New Balance kasi that's the current wave. Currently at this table, ito yung table na kinuhaan na balik ni Job ng Ultra Boost for 2.5K. So hindi natin siya pwedeng isama sa video natin.
Sobrang sulit nun.
Pero so far, ito, we have a size 11 right here, 3K. It's super sulit din siya for me kasi Ultra Boost. You can't go wrong with Ultra Boost because of the comfort. Do you
Yes,
agree?
yes, I agree.
Okay, this caught my eye. A6 is not a bad choice too.
Size 11.
Size 11 nga lang din siya. Very underrated, like A6. Do you agree with that? I mean, A6.
I don't know a lot about A6 pa, pero yun nga, narinig ko nga yung sinasabi mo na ano siya, underrated.
Saka whenever you see A6, it's just a vibe for me.
So dito sa table, they have yung, ito yung Halloween, sorry. Halloween? Size ko to, Ken. For 3,000. What do you think?
It's not a bad pair. It's not a bad pair, not a bad price, but yung what catches my eye in this table is this.
The customized.
Customized. I mean, customized or not, it's a Chicago colorway. So, you can't go wrong with this really. Mula siya sa off-white, I mean sa all-white na pair, diba? Then ano na lang siya. And Nike by you ba siya? Hindi. Parang basta ano lang siya. Okay. Ganda yung, well, not bad din naman yung leather niya and everything. And for me kasi, fan ako ng Chicago, ng colorway. So, this is not a bad...
OG.
Yeah, it's not a bad choice. And it's for 2,500. Size 9. Okay, this definitely goes on the list, but we'll see what we have pa.
Ito yung 550 na all white.
Okay.
This is a size 8, 4,500.
Wait, let's check the quality first. A little bit stiff, but I mean it's a 550. I am wearing a pair of 550s right now. Like it's on feet. So, I mean, it's not a bad look then. Gusto mo rin mag-customize, at least ano siya. 4.5. Okay. Uy, ang cute! Nakita mo to! Ito ang papag-giveaway sa pambata.
Ganito nangyayari daw sa mga size 7, tapos iiwan nyo sa labas ng bahay nyo. Nagiging ganito.
If we're gonna go within the rules of Shoekay-Ukay hanggang 5,000 lang, this might be one. So this is the Jordan 4 Pure Money. Size 12 with OG box.
Size niya yun, boss.
Wait lang.
Nag-high na sa'yo.
Ito pa yung masaklap kasi kakabili ko lang talaga ng sneakers kaninang umaga. Yung nakakainis. Tapos, pure money.
Money Jordan 4.
This is definitely one of the yo, bro. Stars, nandito pa. No, not much heel drag. Yellowed mesh, but perfectly intact. I mean, this is the 2017 pair. Ang only issue lang talaga is it does have creases, but it really looks nice with the creases, man.
Check ko lang. Kung best deal ba yung hanapin mo, 800 siya ngayon sa StockX. Pero brand new yun, but still, come on.
Bro, parang, oh my God, wait lang. Kasi kasi personally, if you guys know me, if you follow me, I've been a big fan of 4s. I have a 4 bias. Yung Amamanier Jordan 4s na lalabas, I'm already saving up for those, but this is looking nice in my opinion. So, if you're looking for the best deal, in my opinion, this might be it.
Asan yung
Ay!
size?
2K.
Oh, I don't mind this. I don't mind this. Salmon hit, gray tones, napaka-bodega tignan.
Below SRP. So siguro yung SRP nito is nasa 6.8. I'm giving it for 4,000. Also these two below SRP rin. Actually ang dami naghahanap nito sa groups. Yes.
And yung Dubrain na, ano bang tawag dito sa Clippers, yeah.
Pero ito yung panalo. Kasi right now naka-sale siya sa Nike Park. Pero 30% off. Sa akin I'm giving it for 50% off.
Wow!
SRP.
50% off. What more could you ask for? 3.5, man.
Brand new lahat to with OG box, walang damage yung box, even the pair, not fitted, panalo.
Unang kita ko mo lang, parang na siya, Travis Scott Fragment, Jordan 1 low, di ba?
With the pink laces.
Yes, with the pink laces. Ganda. And ano size to kaya?
Anong size na kuya?
Size 8. 8 men's.
8 men's? months.
8
Okay.
months. Ah, nice. How much of
Sakto,
4,999? Oo.
But I mean, for 5K, ito, I mean, it's not the fragment per se, but it's a Nike Bayou, and the difference from the Nike Bayou, so normal na Nike dunks that we get these days, is
The quality.
the quality of that leather. You can visibly see how different it is, and when you touch it, that's what she said.
What did he say?
Sorry. That's your... Okay. And so you can sorry. You can visibly see yung difference talaga ng quality ng pair niya. And when you touch it, ramdam mo rin talaga yung difference na malambot yung leather niya compared sa iba. Ganda
Ako,
siya.
ganda nga siya.
I mean, yes, that's yun yung ceiling natin na 5K, but
Yes.
for me sobrang sulit niya. For me.
Yeah,
I
for
don't
me,
know about you.
for me din actually. Is this ano ba,
May
used?
clear winner na agad tayo. Di pa
Used
natin
po
natapos.
ito.
Used po siya. Used
Once. Used once siya, guys.
Yeah, actually, linis ng kanyang
Ang ganda ng color blocking actually, no?
Diba? With the pink laces talaga, it sets it off in my opinion. Okay. I think gusto ko na ito.
Ako rin.
Pag-isipan pa natin.
Ano yan? Yan yung Levi's na New Balance?
Yeah, Levi's New Balance.
Ah, okay.
Pero it
3.5.
doesn't compare.
Yeah.
Ito
Ako,
pa rin talaga ako.
parang may winner na ba tayo, Ken?
I think we already have a winner, pero titingin pa tayo. But for now, yun ang top 1 natin for
Yes,
now.
top 1. Top 1
Okay,
yan.
okay, sige. Money size pa siya, so size 8.
Parang gusto ko. Joke lang.
Kinuha namin. Huwag na mag-giveaway, kami na lang.
Pag-giveaway natin.
Yan, sige.
Okay, so we're just gonna decide on it. We're making a deal right now. If we can get the Superstar Sean Waterspoon and the 574 in that black, salmon, and teal colorway for only 5K. We're gonna be picking out the spots.
Itatabi ba natin? Itabi natin para di nila kita.
Ikaw magana. Itatago muna namin. It's a surprise.
Game.
Huge shout out. Babalik namin.
Surprise lang, tinatago.
Surprise. Parang may kababalaghang ginaganap. May security guard ngayon na daraan. Ayan o. Gag. Tinago agad ni Sep eh. Let's go.
Okay lang bang mahiram namin siya to bring to Sir Carlo para ma-decide niya? Okay lang. Sige. Thank you,
Ayun na
sir.
yun.
Thank you.
Ilagay natin dito, Kaken.
Ano na?
Ako magtago.
Sige. Okay, balik din kami. Sana manalo para mabili namin. Uy, ano ginagawa mo dyan? Uy, pulis ako. Bukhang parang na-scam kami ha. Parang nagkaroon na scam to ng ano ha.
May nakita akong parang double. Hindi, ano to?
One pair, pero both na
Suntukan na lang. Okay guys, so mukhang na we were duped, we were scammed. Kasi parang dalawa yung kinuha nilang pair, I'm not sure.
It's called getting weaseled.
Getting weaseled. We got weaseled by the two weasels. Okay, so Sir Carlo Bale, we were 2 teams kami, and then we have to pick out the best pair for under 5K. And then at the end of kung sino yung pipiliin yung pair na you think is the best pair, papag-giveaway namin siya sa viewers. Yeah. So it's up to you, Bale, kung sinong sa amin dalawa yung mas maganda pair.
For Team David and Goliath,
For 5K, you can get
both pairs.
Pareho yan?
Pareho.
For 5K?
Yes.
only 5K. You can get the Sean Waterspoon in the black color.
Brand new pa oh.
Brand new, tas we
Brand
got
new.
this for... Actually, binabaan nung owner, naging 3,000 na lang.
That is cheap AF.
This is 2,000.
2,000 pesos. The 574, very bodega
Grabe,
vibes.
3,000 na lang to. Diba there was a time they was selling above retail?
And it was rumored to be only a China exclusive.
Yes.
Pero nag-release siya dito sa
Oo, grabe oh. Okay, so kayo.
Okay, Ken.
Okay, so this one is a Nike Bayou na dunk. And it's, well, kita naman kung ano yung tinatry niyang gayahin na inspiration. And what I like about it is just the quality of the pair. Kasi normally with dunks these days, very plastic and leather niya.
Pag Bayou kasi, they really make better leather,
Yeah.
better products.
And I mean, some people can't buy the fragments these days. I mean, it's a super sought out pair. So if you want an alternative and there's quality attached to it, I'm guessing this is not a bad bad choice too.
Option namin yan eh. Isa pang option namin.
Shucks. So I'm supposed to pick one lang.
Yes.
Yes.
I guess I have to explain, no, which one.
Yeah.
Hard
what do you
choice.
think the people will like the best?
Yeah.
Well, the people watching this would want this kasi dalawa winners.
But like, tinatry mo. Pero kasi ano eh.
Pero ako kasi I would lean heavily on the quality. So,
Hawak ko may hawak ko.
Walang ano. Kapit kamay, walang...
parang may cash prize kayo pag manalo kayo.
Hindi, for the viewers ka.
For the viewers.
Quality!
Quantity.
Quality versus
More giveaway.
quality.
Very good balance.
Hindi, alam mo, if this was not, and this is more personal based ko, if this wasn't an homage, which means hindi siya Travis Scott na kinokopya, ito mananalo. Kasi yung premise na Nike by you is you make your own. So yun lang yung the only drawback for me. So I'd go with this one.
Well played.
Tsaka mas madami mananalo. So,
Good game.
Well played.
di ba?
So, talo kayo.
Yun ang opening. Okay. Sorry, to be completely honest, guys, I mean, I'm not mad kasi at the end of the day, the people wins this challenge really.
Yeah.
And naisip ko rin talaga tong gantong pair under 5K for 2. Mas nag-lean lang talaga ako sa mga may gusto ng Travis's eh. But this is not a bad choice. Dalawang pairs. So, good luck na lang sa mga mananalo dito. Paparaffle natin to. Good game, well played. Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Pero yeah,
Okay guys, so ito na yung mga pairs na napili ni Sir Carlo and panalo sila David and Goliath. So ano nang gagawin natin, Ken, sa next video?
hindi natin isasama si Seth tsaka si Carlo.
And for the giveaway mechanics, ano yung mechanics natin, Sir?
So, first, you have to like our Instagram post na ipopost namin in line with this giveaway. Number 2, you have to subscribe to our channel, Beyond the Hype PH. You have to follow us on Instagram, beyondthehype.ph. And, of course, we have to shout out sila Sharky Shoes for the sweet deal that they gave us for this pairs. And, ano pa?
Yung sizing, sasabihin ba natin?
The sizes are size 10 for the Sean Waterspoon. Wala, hindi kita, walang ano. So, napahiya ka din. Yeah. Size 10 for the Sean Waterspoon. 7.5 for the New Balance. Yeah. So, yun. Meron kami pinili na mas smaller size for the Shoesters. And, regardless kung di nyo man size to, you can sell the pair, whatever, kung ano man gusto nyo bilhin. Pero, this is our way of giving back to you guys for supporting us. Yes, sobrang thank you to you. And by the way, I just wanted to shout out si Sir Carlo again for curating all of this for us sneakerheads, no? I think kung wala siya, hindi natin rin magagawa tong content na to. Woo! Yes! Okay, and with all that being said, again, I am Seth.
I'm Ken.
I'm Danny.
I'm Carlo. Shout out to Jella. And this has been